Paula, are you farting? Paula, did you go poop? Paula. Is that coming from you, though? I can't. Paula, stop pooting, Paul. She's embarrassed. Oh, we shamed her. All right.